Hey guys, how's it going? I have a microgreen project I've been working on that looks amazing right now that I want to show you. Look at my microgreens. Aren't they gorgeous? These are kale, red Russian kale microgreens. I've been growing them here for just a little while. They're super fast. I want to say it's been like 10 days, something like that. Anyway, you can see that a lot of them have started to produce their first set of true leaves, and that's usually the indication that they're ready to roll. They're ready to be harvested. So I want to bring them over here and show you this method because I'm excited about it. So the thing that excites me about these microgreens, you can see I've got them in this green plastic tray, and you can grow microgreens in anything. It's one of the easiest things to do. You don't need to have grow lights. I had mine under a grow light because I had space for it, and it does make them grow a little quicker, but it's completely unnecessary, and it's a super quick turnaround crop. So typically within a week to 2 weeks, you've got a crop of microgreens that you're harvesting, and they're super, super good for you, and they're really tasty. They take on whatever taste of the crop you're growing. So if you're growing microgreens for radishes, they have a radish taste. Beets taste like beets, kale, broccoli, and so forth. The thing that I love though, is that all of these, they're grown on a jute pad. See that? Look at all those roots. There's no soil mess, which is amazing. So this is the pad right here, and you put it in one of these trays and you get it wet, and then you pour your seeds in, which I have. This is what I have growing in this tray here, the red Russian kale. I picked up some radish seeds from the garden center, and then I've got broccoli microgreens. But you just sprinkle the seeds on and you mist them. You put this over the top and let them germinate in darkness, and as soon as they're all germinated, you take the lid off and let them grow on. And then we don't have any mess. I can just cut these right off the jute pad. The jute pad replacements I think are like $1 a piece or so. But it's just so clean. Anyway, I was getting ready to harvest these greens, so I really wanted to show you because one, they're beautiful, and two, I was just so excited to discover a different way to grow them rather than on soil. Especially when they're in your kitchen, because that's typically where we're growing these type of crops. It's nice to have them be grown super clean. Like if this falls on the floor, I mean, it might wreck your greens a little bit, but it's not gonna create a mess. Which is awesome. Anyway, I was just excited to show you guys this crop.